would like to share you about past perfect tense. What is a past perfect tense? A past perfect tense is the sentence that explains the moment happened in the past before other activity happened in the past. Okay, there are four kinds the tense. There are positive, negative, interogative, and WH question. And every sentence they help in using adjective, noun, and also verb III or past participle. Okay, the first tense in the positive. Okay, they had taken an English course before they went to America. Okay. Noun, using noun, they had been some experts in English before they went America. Using adjective, they have been clever in English before they went to America. Okay, next, the second formulation in the negative. Okay, they have not taken an English course before they went America. Okay, in nouns in the negative, they have not been any experts in English before they went America. And in adjective, they have not been clever in English before they went to America. Okay? For the third, for interrogative, had they taken an English course before they went to America? If yes, yes they had. If no, no they have not. Okay? Have they been any expert in English before they went to America? If yes, yes they had. If no, no they haven't. Had they been clever in English before they went to America? If yes, yes they had. If no, no they have not. Okay, for the fourth in WH question. Okay, why had they taken an English course before they went to America? For the other sentence using noun, why had they been any expert in English before they went to America? Okay, the other sentence using adjective, why had they been clever in English before they went to America? Okay, that's all about the past perfect tense. I hope that you can understand. You can ask for me for discussion. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.